Good day, good evening, and hello, it's Lovely here, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys a guide on how to build in RoCitizens. I'll be going for the basics like plots and tools. Before I start with the video, make sure to subscribe and like so that I can make similar videos in the future. Okay, let's go. Let's start with plots. There are 3 types of plots you can build in. There's the apartments, the palms, and the one we'll be focusing on, house plots. You can find them in 3 different neighborhoods: the forest, the beach, and the suburb. Whichever neighborhood you build on does not matter. You can easily get to them by using your house app on your phone. Furnishing and building in the game only requires you to have in-game currency. I highly recommend to everyone who's interested in building to get the custom color game pass. It unlocks more tools and it's the only game pass you'll need for builds for the price of 250 Robux. If you head to the construction site in front of the palms, you will see an NPC named Bob. If you accept his quest, he will ask you to buy 3 building blocks to place and scale around your house. If you do it correctly, he will reward you with an empty plot along with 1,500 cash. Now that you have the empty plot, you can now build on an empty base. Now let's talk about edit mode. Enter edit mode by clicking the icon on your bottom right. Clicking furniture opens the shop and your inventory. To place, simply click on an item and you'll see it pop on your plot. On the right, you will see a list of tools. The first one lets you pick day or night. This does not affect other players and lets you see in the dark or day. Secondly, there's floor grid. It makes you see grids on horizontal surfaces. The number you see on your right while placing items is a stud based on how it's placed on the grid. Thirdly is free cam. You can see how to use it by looking at your bottom left. On fourth, we have the clone tool. It lets you clone any item even if it's colored or scaled differently. Unfortunately, you can only clone one at a time, but hopefully in the future they will allow multiple at once. On fifth, we got the rotation tool, which lets you rotate any item towards any direction. You can adjust the angle with the icon on the bottom right. On sixth is the scale tool, which lets you scale most items to a size. The numbers you see pop up while scaling is the amount of studs it has and shows you how much you've reduced or increased. And then we have the move tool, which often gets confused with the other move tool that's found when selecting an item. The first one lets you move by dragging arrows. The other follows your mouse and lets you rotate by clicking R or T. While moving, you will see a collision tool on the right. By disabling it, you can place furnitures on each other. To color an item, select it and click the paint tool. You can change the color of the furnitures with the 2 palettes you can choose from and even change their textures. To unlock more, you have to go to the real estate store. If you go to the game's homepage, you can get yourself a free private server. When you spawn in, you'll see a new icon appear on your bottom right. Getting the server control game pass is so worth it when you don't want to be bothered by people or the changing weathers. Another thing about private servers is that you can place furnitures anywhere. For many custom builds, the main foundation is always building blocks. It's very versatile because you can use it to make walls or make tinier details like custom furnitures. With the blocks, you can combine them with doors and windows. Lastly, there's decals. You can only place decals on these 4 different types of picture frames. To place the decal, simply select the frame and click the image icon. Scroll down past the first pictures and click the plus. Type in your decal ID and there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Please let me know if there's anything I missed or anything you guys are curious about. I'm currently planning to make more building tutorials in the future, so I hope you all stay with me. Okay, toodles!